At Wickum Weld, we're using state-of-the-art equipment like a laser to make sure that we are producing all of our products with the precision that it requires and to stay consistent with every product that we manufacture. In our forming processes, we're using computer-controlled press brake, and we have a highly skilled team that has been trained to follow the quality standards of Wickum Weld to make sure that a 90-degree bend is actually a 90-degree bend before it goes on to the next station. With every Wickum Weld box, you're getting great quality. The welds are to perfection, and they are TIG welded and MIG welded. They're all hand done with our guys here at Wickum Weld. Not every Wickum Weld product requires powder coating, but a lot of our customers request it. We mostly do black or white. Those are the two most common colors. Some of our customers bring in custom colors to us, and we're happy to accommodate.